How to change Facebook password. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to change Facebook password. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, I will teach you the step by step, so don't ever leave this video because you will miss a step if you do that. So the first thing you need to do is to head over to your Facebook app right here. So let's click on it. Then after that, in here you can see your home page. So in order to change your Facebook password, what you need to do is just click on these three lines right here, and this will redirect you to the menu of your Facebook. And after that, you can just scroll down and you can see the settings right here, or you can also click on this gear icon right here. So let's click on gear icon. Then after that, you can see all of the settings that you can choose from. But what we need to click on is this Meta account center right here. So recently, the Facebook password is in the security, but that's been moved in this Meta account center. So just click on it. Then it will open this page. Then you can scroll down and you can see in here the password and security. So just click on it and then click on change password right here. And then click on your account right here, which is my Facebook account right here. And then in here you can input your current password. So for example, I will type in my current password, and I can also type in my new password and then click on retype the new password. So after that, just click on the change password right here after you're satisfied with everything. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change Facebook password. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!